The fundamental unit of life in species belonging to the kingdom Plantae is the plant cell. They are eukaryotic cells, which means they have specialized components called organelles that perform different duties, and they contain a real nucleus. The protection and support of the cell are the primary function of the cell wall. It also helps provide the cell shape and structure while defending it from mechanical stress. Additionally, it filters molecules that enter and exit the system. A cell membrane is semi-permeable present within the cell wall. A thin coating of protein and fat makes up its structure. The cell membrane serves an important function in controlling how certain substances get into and out of the cell. Vacuoles can occupy as much as 80% of the volume of a cell. Vacuoles have two basic functions. It serves as an area for storage, and it is essential for maintaining turgor pressure on the cell wall. Plant cells are photoautotropic because they use light energy from the sun to produce glucose. This is because the presence of organelle called chloroplast. The cells utilize carbon dioxide in this process while also releasing oxygen. With the process of cellular respiration, the mitochondria then break down the sugar to provide energy for the cell. Hence, they are referred to as the powerhouse of the cell. Only eukaryotic cells have the nucleus, a membrane-bound structure. The essential role of a nucleus is to store DNA, or the genetic material which is needed for cell division, metabolism, and growth. Nucleolus is a round structure found in the nucleus that produces ribosomes, which comprise RNA and protein. Ribosomes are the smallest membrane-bound organelles. They are known as the cell's protein factories since they serve as the sites for protein synthesis. The main function of the endoplasmic reticulum is to synthesize lipids and proteins for the cell, either for its use or to transport out. Ribosomes that are attached to the ER make that portion of the ER into rough endoplasmic reticulum. As the proteins and lipids are finished being made in the ER, then they leave the ER in pinch of pieces of membrane called vesicles. Proteins and lipids are sorted, modified, separated, packed, and transported by the Golgi body. To deliver the produced chemicals to the proper locations, the Golgi body cooperates closely with the rough ER. Those vesicles can either go somewhere else in the cell, to the cell membrane for repair, or transported out of the cell altogether.